Hello there, welcome to the continuation of our Deliverman project. In our last video, we were working on the track delivery page, and we explained that the track delivery page is going to provide a form for the user to enter his or her order number and then click on the track button. If the order is successfully tracked, then the track status will be displayed on this smaller window here. So we went ahead and we designed the track page, and then we created the form here, and then this delivery status is supposed to be hidden by default and will only become visible if the order number that has been supplied is successfully tracked. Okay, so today we're gonna be looking at the next page on our pencil file, which is the accept request page. So this page is going to be presented to the deliver man. When the deliver man is ready to accept a request, then this page is kind of be presented to him, and all pending requests will be showcased like this, and then he can look at it and see which one can he accept. And once he accepts a request, then the manage request page will be presented to him, where he can update the status of the request, and as well cancel acceptance should he wish to do so, and also give access to the request, either the person who has made the request to also rate him. Okay, so we're just gonna be looking at this page and this page today. So to start, I'm gonna go back to my editor, and then I'm gonna save this page as accept request. Say accept requests .html. Okay, so looking at our pencil file, we're gonna change the title to accept delivery request. So I'm gonna change the title to accept delivery request. Then I'm gonna create. Okay, so I'm gonna increase the height of the width of my window. Okay, so here, so to do that, I'm gonna increase the width maybe to 60. Let's stop at 60 and see how it goes. Then I'm gonna delete all of this. I'm gonna delete all of this, and then I'm gonna use this other smaller window where we have the delivery status to create this window, right? This smaller section here. Okay, so to do that, in this section we have two section here, two delivery section here. So that will be best done with a cell, right? If you look at this, it's best done with a cell. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. So I'm gonna delete all of this. Although they are the informations that I need, then I'm gonna change W3 row to W3 cell row, right? Then I'm gonna change the W3 theme. No, sorry, this the cell row should be for so the cell row should be here like this. Then I'm gonna have div dot w3 cell. I'm gonna have two of them, so I'm gonna copy this and paste it like this. Then I'm gonna have w3 cell w3 cell let's say w3 cell middle, and as well w3 cell middle. Okay, so what I want to have here is that this cell, I'm gonna have style, I'm gonna have weight should be a little bit bigger than the other, so I'm gonna have 70% like this. So here I'm gonna have my okay, so I'm gonna have my accept button in this place. Then I'm gonna have my the other details here. Okay, so I'm just going to open another page, and I can copy my button. So I'm gonna copy this button here. And I'm gonna paste it here. I'm gonna change it to accept. Then I'm gonna bring in my other details here, starting from the order number. So I'm gonna have the order number. So I'm gonna have I can start with a div. There's a div div dot, let's see, okay, let's just start with a div. So in this div I'm gonna have a bold, a b tag, then I will have my order number, right? Then I have the space, and then my order number comes in. See, I put my order number now in another tag called the span, like this, and I put maybe 3000 300 like this. Then I can give a class to this. Since my order number is in color red, and I say w3 text red, right? I might also want to, it's already bold, so yeah, it's already bold. Then the next thing I need is the from. So this row I can give it a, okay, let's leave it this way for now. I'm gonna copy this now and paste it in the next line. From, so I have a bold, then from, right? Then I have this guy is coming outside of this box this time. Okay, so then I have the pickup address and the drop location, but then the pickup address, okay, let's see, from, we have a pickup address somewhere here. Okay, so let's try this and see what we have. So the red color is going, we no longer need it. Then we have this, right? and then we're gonna repeat same for 2, like this. Okay, then the next thing, we have the approximate weight. So we're gonna copy this div again and paste it right here, and then we'll call it approximate weight, which is the 3.2 kg. So we change this to 3.2 kg. Again, this span is coming outside of the B tag. Okay, the red color is also going. Then the last thing, we have the by. So we're gonna copy this div again and paste it right here. And then we have the by, and then we have the full name. So I'm gonna copy all of these, and I'm just gonna paste them just right here. Good. Now we want to see how our page look like. So I'm going to head to the browser, and then I'm gonna change this page to accept request.html. So this is what I have now. You can see the page, because the page is nice, yes, but our from is not very clear because it's the two is just a continuation. So I think I'm gonna change the design and move the two to a new line. So I'm just gonna change the design. It makes more sense to have the two on a new line. So I'm gonna head on to my pencil now, increase the height of this like this. Okay, then I'm gonna move this line here a bit down. Oh, okay, no, both including this. So I'm gonna move both of them. Oops. Okay, that's okay. So I'm gonna move them one by one. Okay, then I'm gonna move approximate weight as well. That didn't work. Good. Then I'm gonna bring the whole of my tool like this. I'm gonna bring it to this side here. Okay, I think this okay. This is better. Okay, I'm gonna adjust this guy. Good. So this makes a lot of sense. And this guy here, I'm gonna bring it down a bit. It's to be in the middle of the page. Now I'm gonna move this guy, copy, paste, paste it. No. Okay, so paste it. Good. And then move down. So I'm gonna adjust that. Paste again. No. Paste again. Good. And then I do this. Oh, we have double pasting here, so I will have to no, no. Okay, so I don't know when I did double pasting, so I'm gonna just undo that and then do it again. So this makes a lot of sense. Okay, so there we go. We have a new design now, and we could use that. So we're gonna change. We're gonna move. We're gonna. Okay, good. We're gonna just move this guy, the two, out of here, and then we create it as a new div. So I'm gonna copy this guy here and paste it and change the from to a two. Okay, so I think that should do. Okay, my accept button here, I'm gonna change can I give it a W3 right align? Okay, fine. So this perfect. This perfect. We have our order number, we have our from, we have our to, we have so what if I choose to make this guy an inline block display with a fixed width? Could it be makes could it give us a better design? Let's see that. So as a style is this display should be inline block, and the width should be, let's say, 100 pixel. Okay, what do we have? Oh, nope, it's not what I want. Okay. Yeah, this guy tends to just come down. This approximate weight, this is this, just flows to the next line, but that's not what I really want. So if I want to achieve that, I might just have to use a W3 rule. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it the way it is for now. Maybe in future we might enhance it better. Okay, so we're gonna have this I'm gonna remove this guy now. This guy, I'm gonna change it to 32 like this. Good. Then I'm gonna duplicate this cell row. Just have them two. Oh, sorry. So just gonna copy this and then paste it. Oops. Okay, so let's see what we have. Oh, twice. Okay, let's paste a third one. Let's paste a third one. Good. But then we need to have we have this and we have this, right? So we need a space from the top, so we can include a W3 margin bottom. So we can include a W3 margin to the bottom. Good. This is perfect. So once, okay, so we're gonna do one more thing. Yeah, so once a deliver man clicks on accept, then automatically it should take him to the manage requests dot html. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do now. So I'm gonna use this one to replace all of the other rows. Oh no, not here. Okay, here. So replace this, right, and then this. Okay, so the last page we're gonna work on now is the accept request page. So I'm gonna save this as manage request dot html. Okay, so what do we have in our manage request page? What we have is this. We're gonna change the title to manage delivery request. So change the title from track to manage. Now we don't want the form, so this section here and this section here, they are going. So remove this. That's the first thing. Then the next thing we don't want. Okay, we have this box, yes. So which is this, right? We have order number and status. So I'm gonna remove this title here, this one. So I have this row. I have my order number here. Then I have the status of the request. Then I have this, which we're gonna create in our next video. Then I have 3 buttons this time. So I'm gonna bring in 3 buttons. So I'm gonna delete this one. Then I'm gonna copy buttons from somewhere. Where do I have buttons? Let's check here. So I'm gonna copy all of these 3, this section, and I'm gonna paste it right here. Okay, good. So I'm gonna see how this page looks like now. The buttons are inside the box, so I'm gonna bring this section out of the box, because based on our design, the buttons are outside of the box, right? So if I bring this out, refresh, so this is what I have now. So with the 3 buttons we have, based on our design, we have update status, cancel acceptance, and rate me. So this we're gonna change to update status. This we're gonna change to cancel acceptance, and we have another button, so we're gonna do this, and the button says rate me. So we're gonna change this to rate me, like this. So this goes to rateme.html. Okay, so what we have now is this. So we're gonna increase the width again. from 50 to 60. Okay, so we're gonna stop here today and see you in our next video.